Today on Low Carb with Jennifer, I'm going to show you how to make these keto custard cups. Hey guys, welcome back to Low Carb with Jennifer. Today we're going to make some custard cups. So what even is that? Let me tell you, it's delicious. If you just bake the egg and the cream all whipped up nicely, and it's sweet and it's creamy, and it's just the perfect little sweet treat, and it's healthy, it's good for you. So we've got some ramekins, some oven-safe ramekins in a casserole dish over here that we've sprayed a little bit with cooking spray. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bake these in a water bath. So that's why we've got this casserole dish. We've got some water boiling, and we're going to pour the water in this casserole dish so they can bake in. It's a gentle bake. So we're gonna make the custard now. It's going to be 3 eggs, a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar-free keto-friendly sweetener, 2 cups of half and half, which is, if you're not American, is half milk, half heavy cream. A lot of custards use heavy cream, just heavy cream, and that is extremely calorie dense. Half and half is not much carbs, if any more carbs than heavy cream, but like half, of course, half of the calories. We're gonna add in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and finally a dash of nutmeg. So now we're gonna beat this with an electric mixer. You could also just use a whisk. Okay, so now we are going to ladle the mixture into each of the cups. So you want to do it carefully. We're gonna do it evenly. Each cup is probably gonna get, so one of these is about 1/3 cup. We're just going to eyeball it, but you can kind of see and make sure each one is even. Okay. So now I'm gonna very carefully set this on the tray of the oven, and then very carefully pour the boiling water into the casserole dish, being careful not to let the water splash into the custards. And then we're gonna bake this at 350 degrees for about 30 minutes. Okay, our custards are out of the oven. We let them cool in the pan just because they're really hot to pull out. So we let them cool a little bit until they were just tolerable to get them out of the hot water. And now they're ready to eat. You can eat these warm, it's delicious, or you can chill them in the refrigerator to get them to a room temperature, or cool them down to being cold, and they're just as good. So let's have a taste. They're so soft. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is amazing. Just look at the inside of that. It's so soft. Okay, bite time. That is so good, it just melts in your mouth. Be sure you check out this recipe. Also, check out my recipe for keto lemon bars. If you're on YouTube, you can just click that box right there. If you're on Facebook, you can just go to my website, jenniferbands.com, and search lemon bars. It's that easy. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.